So in our next numerical, okay, so the third numerical, so it has been defined as a 50 kVA, 3300 bar, 330 volt, single phase transformer has an iron loss, has an iron loss and a full load copper loss of 400 watts and 600 watts respectively. Calculate the efficiency at half of the full load and zero point 0.9 factor. Also calculate the load at which efficiency is the maximum. Okay, so this is what is given in the numerical. So we'll solve this numerical now. The third one for the day. The third one for the day. So what he has said? He has said that a 50 kVA. So he has given P is equals to 50 kVA. Okay, V1 is 3300 volt. V2 is 330 volts. Okay, single phase transformer has iron loss and full load copper loss. So it means iron loss is the constant loss. So at any given load, the value of Wi will not change. So he is mentioning it as a transformer has iron loss and full load copper loss. Okay, iron loss is how much? Iron loss is 400 watts, and your copper loss is WCO, it is 600 watts respectively. Calculate efficiency at half of the full load. Efficiency at half of the full load at 0.9 power factor. Right? This is the first parameter what he is asking. The second parameter that he is asking is second parameter, compute the load. He is asking us to compute the load. Okay, he is asking us to compute the load such that efficiency should be the maximum. Such that efficiency should be the maximum. Is it clear? So these two data we have to compute. Okay. So we'll start the solution with the first one. So in order to compute the efficiency at half of the full load, okay, at 0.9 power factor, this is being given by the same expression that we have used now, saying that x kVA cos phi divided by x kVA cos phi plus x square copper loss plus the iron loss. So this will be given by, what's the value of x? X stands for the load factor. So it is half of the full load. So x will be equal to 1 by 2. kVA is 50. kVA is k is nothing but 1000. Cos phi is 0.9 divided by. So what's the value of x? It is 1 by 2 into 50 into 1000 into 0.9 power factor plus x square is 1 by 2 the whole square. Then WCU, what is WCU? 600 plus WI is the 400, right? So it's a simple substitution kind of a numerical. So given data you have to substitute. Then what's the value of this efficiency? Efficiency at half the full load. Good. So it is 97.61%. 97.61%. 97.61%. Here. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Now what you have to do over here is you have to compute load for maximum efficiency. So that is being given by, you can write that load for maximum efficiency is being given by full load kVA, full load kVA, okay, into the root of iron loss divided by full load copper loss. So nothing but Wy divided by Wcu, where Wcu is a full load copper loss. Okay. Now I know that what's the value of full load kVA? The value of full load kVA is what? The value of full load kVA is 50 kVA. So this turns out to be as full load kVA is 50. Okay, so 50k and the root of Wi is 400 divided by copper loss is 600. So you can compute the load. What is the load now? It is 50k into square root of 400 by 600. So this turns out as 40.823 or 824 kVA. 40.82 kVA. Is it clear? Okay. So this kVA is important. So this k you are taking it default here. Okay. Fine. Then, so if we are able to understand this, then we can go for the last numerical for the day. Okay. The last numerical says like this. One bit I'll solve. I want you people to solve the next bits because it's same as that what we are solving now. Okay. The last numerical, fourth numerical for the day. The maximum efficiency at full load and unity power factor of a single phase to 25 kVA transformer, 500 bar 1000 volt 50 hertz transformer is 98%. Determine efficiency at 75% of the load, 0.9 power factor, and 50% of the load and 0.8 power factor. Okay, so first we'll write. Okay, first we'll write what is been given. So what is been given? The maximum efficiency at full load and unity power factor. So remember that statement. He's saying that maximum efficiency at unity power factor being equal to 1. So at this condition, okay, a single phase transformer with the power rating of 25 kVA, okay, V1 is what? 500 volts. What about V2? V2 is 1000 volts. Okay, frequency is 50 hertz. Okay, transformer is 98%. Then what is the efficiency here? It is 98%. So it means this transformer is having 98% of efficiency, which is its maximum efficiency at unity power factor. Okay, so with this data, what he's asking us, he's asking us to compute what will be the efficiency of the transformer if I operate this at 75% of the full load. 75% of the full load, and power factor is 0.9 power factor. Second one, it is efficiency of this same transformer if I operate it at 50% of the full load, and power factor is 0.8 power factor. So these two data we are going to use it in order to solve the given parameters. Now there is one question which is being raised by my student. Sir, why we have to take this formula? So you may be asking in such a reason, saying that, sir, for efficiency, we know that efficiency is being given by output power by input power. And one more equation that we are having is what you are suggesting, x kVA cos phi divided by x kVA cos phi plus x square copper loss plus the iron loss. So why we are considering this equation only? Because, my dear student, in this you know exactly what is your output power, exactly what is your input power. Then we can compute this efficiency. But now I don't have a sufficient information of output power and input power. Understanding? I have the information of load. What is the percent of the load? What is the percent of the load? Since he is asking me in terms of percentage of the load, so then I should use this equation only, because here this data is not known to me. I know only output power. Understanding? Is it clear to you? Okay. So now with this data which has been given, what should be the first step? So if you see this equation, what is the data that should be known to you? You should have an information of output power. Yes, so he has given us what's the value of output power. Not a problem. So this data I can write. So I should know what is my load factor, whether it is full load, half load, 25% of load, or 50% of the load. So that also he has given me the information. In the first numerical, he's asking me 75%. In second numerical, he's saying 50%. So not a problem. So value of X is also known to me. But is WCU and WY known to me? Answer me in a group chat whether he has given me any data about WCU and WY. Yes? No. So he has not given me any data of WCU and WI. Then how you are going to compute the value of WCU and WI? Any hint that you will get from this given data? Any hint that you will get it from a given data? Good, Vaibhavi. Very good. So as he has said us, efficiency is maximum. This is a hint that we have to hunt for, because we know that when efficiency is maximum, it simply implies the iron loss is equals to the copper loss. Iron loss is equals to the copper loss. Okay, so with this given data, first we will compute our iron loss and copper loss. Then we'll go in order to compute what is efficiency at 75% of the load and at 50% of the load. Okay. So now, so first we have to compute WI and WCU. So when efficiency is maximum, we know that iron loss will be equal to the copper loss. So same equation I'm going to use. Efficiency at full load. This is efficiency at full load. Remember, efficiency at full load is x kVA cos phi divided by x kVA cos phi plus x square copper loss plus the iron loss. What's the value of x? Since this is full load, what is the value of x? Value of x will be 1. Yes or no? The value of x will be 1. Then this is nothing but output power. So x is 1 into kVA is 25 into k, that is 1000, into the power factor. Power factor is also unity, divided by, okay, 1 into 25 into 1000 into 1. Okay, plus x square is nothing but the full load, 1 square WCU plus WI. So I know what is efficiency at full load. What is efficiency at full load? It is 0.98. It is 0.98. Okay, then I can just solve this equation. Okay, if I just solve this equation, I should be able to get an equation for WCU and WI. Right? Yes, help me out in order to fetch the equation for WCU and WI. Yes, your WI should be equal to WCU is equals to, what's the answer? Good. It is 255.1. Yes or no? It is simple mathematics, man. Having this data, you want to compute the data for your WCU and WI. So WI is equals to WCU is equals to 255.1 watts. Okay, so once if you get this data, then it is what? I want you people to solve and give me the answer. I'll not solve these two bits. I want you people to solve it. I want efficiency at 75% of the load, 75% of the full load at 0.9 power factor. So give me the value of efficiency. I want you people to solve it. Same equations are going to use. Only you are going to change the value of your x as well as your power factor. So what's the value of this efficiency at 75% of full load and 0.9 power factor? You will just take your Wy is equals to 255 and WCU also has 255 watts or 255.1 watts. Yes, what's the value of efficiency? Do answer in a group chat. Yes, it's the right answer. 97.6 percentage, right? 97.6%. Then what about the second data? Efficiency at 50% of the full load at 0.8 power factor. Do compute this data. Good, good Shenita. It is 96.8 or 96.9, whatever you're getting, not a problem. 96.8%. Okay, is it clear to you?